It's me again, unboxing Supremo Air 5K action camera with electronic image stabilizer version 2.0, 6-axis gyroscope.
Specification: waterproof up to 40 meters or 130 feet, Sony IMX sensor and latest iTouch chipset, 6G True Plus lens, 30 fps, 5K video, Wi-Fi, remote controller, built-in microphone, PC cam, 2.0 HD LCD, up to 128 gig micro SD card, suitable. Waterproof case, wrist remote, quick release mount, J-hook buckles, 360 rotation swivel arm, 3 pieces weight pivot arm plus thumb screw. Black bolt, flat mount, curved mount for curved surfaces, helmet, handlebar mount for bicycle, stainless steel safety tether straps, 4 pieces, 3M adhesive, replacement back door, user manual, USB cable, tube, batteries. Okay, may free sticker pa siya. Maganda. Then, i-try na natin yung Supremo. Lagyan muna natin siya ng battery. At memory card na din. So then try natin i-on siya kung maganda ba yung quality. Gamit ko pala na memory card is SanDisk A1, class A lang siya na brand pero okay naman. So compatible naman siya, wala naman siyang problema pag ganitong memory card yung gamitin ko. So okay, maganda. Wala akong masabi. So etong part na to, tinetest na natin yung remote controller niya kung gumagana din ba.
So dito, kakailang restart na po ako dito pero maayos naman na yung booting niya. Okay naman, yung charging niya, tinas ko na din, okay naman po. So, thumbs up. Proof and tested, so yung ratings ko is 10/10 syempre. So for the next video, i-try na natin siya night test and day test kung maganda ba yung quality ng camera at saka wala siyang masyadong delay or mga something stop sa video or sa recording ba, baka pag saving natin is corrupted na siya. So abangan nyo na lang for the next video. Bye bye.